Alright, so what you all are about to witness is practically history in the making. And it is the first tune wrote for a twin turbo 6.5 in probably, well, I'm going to say about 7 years. All these flyers. Are these ones that he had, I wonder? Oh, is that ours? Oh, buddy. Dude, it's glossed over and everything. That's mint. Twin HX 35 10 centimeter streak tune. M&L's to shop. Plug. Oh my god. It actually sounds smooth. Boosted launch time. That's the speed limit. I'm gonna kick this one here off by going to pick up another 6.5. Hopefully it's all stock and in way better condition than this truck. It's not gonna be for me, it's actually for the girlfriend, but it's better than the other one that we just bought. So that'll be 4 that's kicking around in the driveway now. And copyright has been kicking my ass on every video, literally, like every video. I believe it's my intro and some stuff that I throw in. So I've been trying to deflect the copyrights for as long as I possibly could, and it's just impossible. Typical gauge broken again. Alrighty, this is a little video to show you what it's like driving this here truck with the way that it is and the problems that it has. We're going onto the highway, so it should be okay to do this. Oh yeah, was he pulling off or is he passing?
He's passing, he's coming. On today's edition of That's Fucked Up, That's Fucked Up, and That's Fucked Up. 2-inch wheel spacers couldn't hold on to the 6.5 power. Hashtag Diesel Nation.
All right, this here's the gauge. That's gone faulty. It's actually that bottom one. That there's the oldest one, and it's actually the least used one as well. And I'll flick the switch on now so to turn the power onto it. This is without the truck running. Try to get it to focus a little bit. Now you actually can't see it here now, but there's a very dim blue light on it. And even if I click on it, then he don't turn on. Now these here two, they've been perfect. I've never had a problem with them. That one there actually reads a little bit above what he should, but I'm okay with that. And I believe that one up there is accurate. But anyways, I'll start the truck up now. And no change at all. He's actually set up to a vacuum pump, and I'll turn that on. Nothing. Didn't do anything. It's not even lit up. Alright, so sometimes it only turns on when the switch just gets turned on. There you go. You just seen a small faint glimpse of it. I'll do it again. Yeah. And it switches out. Like these here two, they've been working perfect. They do exactly what they're supposed to.